again, welcome back to my channel. As promised, I told you guys I was gonna show you some gluten-free recipes. This is one of my go-to favorites. I've actually had this recipe in my mind, memorized and just perfected because I added my own special ingredients and stuff for years. I made this recipe when I was vegan, and now I'm making this recipe gluten-free. And it's so easy to do. You just put all the ingredients in one pot, let it cook for 20 minutes, and you're done. So this recipe is a one-pot gluten-free pasta recipe. It's mushroom spinach pasta and a creamy garlic sauce with Parmesan, of course. So it's so good. So let me get all the ingredients and lay them out for you guys and show you what is going in this pot. The pot isn't here yet. Let me get these ingredients, okay? So here are all the ingredients. I've got chopped spinach, frozen. Now I will say that using fresh spinach would be better, however I don't have it, so we're just gonna use frozen. And then I've got these bella mushrooms here. All of the seasoning, seasoned pepper, slap your mama. Basil seasoning, I'm gonna use 1 bay leaf, paprika, onion powder, and thyme. I wish I had oregano, but apparently I haven't added that back to my grocery list, so there's that. Minced garlic. The gluten-free pasta is Banzo. Freshly grated Parmesan. This thing is a game changer. It really like elevates any recipe. And then half and half. Or heavy whipping cream. You can really use whatever you want. All right, you guys, this thing is like hot and ready to go. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit. I'm gonna be putting in 4 tablespoons of butter. You can go ahead and use olive oil here if you want to, but baby, I am using butter. Then I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and cook that until it's fragrant. Can you even see me? Sorry, I haven't used this this single stove thing in forever, literally since the old house. So it's a good thing that the butter is browning because that's gonna give us a rich aromatic flavor in our pasta. It's gonna taste so good, you guys don't even know. I'm so excited. And then another ingredient that I've also added to this, which I'm not adding today because I don't have, is half of a yellow onion diced into bite-sized pieces. Next thing I'm gonna do is add the spinach, 2 cups of spinach. Melt it down, really, that's what we're doing here. And then if you were using fresh spinach, you would just saute it until wilted. If you like spinach, artichoke pizza, I do have artichokes, but I've never added it to this pasta. One of y'all do it and tell me how it goes. I'm serious. I am serious. Let me know how it goes. This is just like my recipe, so I'm sticking to it. Anyways, this is like a spinach mushroom pizza, but gluten-free and in pasta form. You wanna cook the mushrooms for, I would say 3 to 4 minutes. So what I'm gonna do is add about 2 cups of half and half. If you have watched my recent video, you would know that the next ingredient I want to add is chicken broth. However, I don't have any of that apparently, so I'm just gonna use water. It's all right, it'll still taste good, I promise. However, if you have chicken broth, use it. Thank you. So we're adding a total of 4 cups of liquid to this. Now, turn up the heat because you want to bring this to a boil. I'm going to be adding all the seasoning. I'm going to do 1.5 teaspoons of basil, 1 teaspoon of slap your mama Cajun spice, 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of onion powder, just depends on how much you like that, a half teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of seasoned pepper. Anyway, so turn the heat up, bring this mixture to a boil. Once it's at a rolling boil, we'll add the pasta. I like to break my noodles. Okay, so coat the noodles. Make sure they are submerged for real. Get a lid, cover, turn the heat down, and let this simmer for 20 to 25 minutes until the pasta is cooked. Walk away, turn on your favorite TV show, pour yourself a glass of wine, girl. Okay. Timer has gone off. Let's check the pasta. Yeah, okay, this is actually perfect. Let me get a noodle in my mouth though and make sure that, I don't know why I phrased it like that. Here, but this is clean. Let me make sure that the noodles are cooked though, because that is the point. Oh, it's perfect, okay. Oh, this is literally one of my favorite recipes. We're gonna add Parmesan. I like a lot of Parmesan, so I'm gonna be adding a cup, which I think is this entire thing. But I'm that person that when I go to Olive Garden and they're like, say when, the entire restaurant fills up with cheese. I never say when, we all die. Stir that Parmesan cheese in, let it get melty, and then taste, I like to taste test it here. I'm gonna add just a little bit of salt. And then this pasta is done. So let me turn this off and then give myself a bowl because I am so ready for this. Ah, this is gonna be so good. I'm legitimately very hungry. Okay. As it's gonna be hot and I'm over here just trying to eat it. This is a toxic trait of mine. Look, do you see this thing steaming? And I'm over here like, okay, calm down. You guys, this is so good. It's definitely too hot to eat, but it's so good. I'm not okay. I really hope you guys make this recipe because it's so good. It's gonna become a staple in your house, which it already has for mine. And make it your own. Add the bacon, add the onion, cook it with chicken broth, make it whatever. All right, you guys, I love you. I'm gonna burn my tongue, but continue to eat this because I laugh in the face of danger. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this. I hope you enjoyed. I love you. Thank you for being here. I will see you in the next video.